Let us now look at how to access an organization's details. On your SDF dashboard, you will find 3 sections. 1. Menu panel. This is where you are able to select different sections of the employer file. 2. List of employers. This is where you are able to select the relevant employer to use in the menu panel. And 3. Important system manuals and guidelines for easy access. Next, select the organization. The row will highlight when selected. Click on the Action button to open the organization's profile. The following sections are available in the menu. We will first look at Organization Details. To change or update information, click on the Edit button on the left-hand side. Then update the information. Remember to confirm the AgriSETA data is correct at the bottom, and lastly, click Save. Please note, the information on the right-hand side is the information that we receive from SARS via the Department of Higher Education that AgriSETA uploads onto the system. This information cannot be updated. If you need to update the information of the organization, you can do so on the left-hand side of the screen. This is the AgriSETA data. Please ensure that you check that the numbers of employees are up to date and correct. The number of employees will influence the type of forms generated. Please click on Organization Contact from the menu. Click on the Create button. Capture the contact's details and click the Save button. Did you know that a contact person can also be removed or edited by selecting the relevant row and then pressing either the Remove or Edit button? Please ensure that the contact details are correct and confirm the details before creating the new WSP forms. Please note, it is important for the AgriSETA to have the contact details of necessary people in the organization. This allows AgriSETA to send out communication, invitations to workshops, or other functions to the relevant people. To add or edit the organization's banking details, please click on Organization Banking Details in the menu. Next, capture or update the banking details, then click the Save button when done. If not uploaded previously and/or approved, please note that you must upload at least one of the following documents: copy of cancelled check, bank statement which has been stamped by the bank, bank confirmation letter which has also been stamped by the bank, or company name change information, if applicable. Click on Organization CFO Details from the menu. Please note, if an organization does not have a Chief Financial Officer or CFO, a financial or administrative staff member's details will be sufficient. Now click on the Edit button. Capture the CFO's contact details, then click the Save button. Select Training Committee from the menu. Next, click on the Add Training Committee Members button. Please note, this is compulsory and applicable for all large organizations, and it is optional to small organizations. Capture the committee members' details, then click on the Save button. Remember, you will need to repeat this process for each training committee member. Let's take a look at payment information. Select Grants and Levies from the menu. Select the relevant year you wish to view from the drop-down bar. The View button will become available once you have selected a specific year. On the left-hand side of the screen are different options. Select the first option called Grant Summary. Here, you will be able to view the grant payments paid by AgriSETA to the employer with the relevant date paid and amount paid for the selected financial year. Select the Print Friendly button to print this information. Now select Levies Summary. Here, you will be able to view the levy payments the organization has made to SARS, exactly as it is displayed at SARS, with the relevant date paid and amount paid for the selected financial year. To determine the amount due to the organization, take a look at the column that states Mandatory Levy 20%. You can verify this amount with the amount paid on the levy summary screen to calculate any amounts due or to confirm if the company has been paid in full for the relevant financial year. Select the Print Friendly button to print this information. Let us have a look at important documents under Client Relationship Management. We will focus on two communication types only. The first one is email. In this section, you will find records of emails sent by AgriSETA via the Indicium system to the relevant SDF. Under the communication type called Documents, you will be able to view and print important documents relating to your WSP or ATR submission sent from AgriSETA via Indicium to the SDF. For example, confirmation of receipt letters, approval letters, and grant paid letters. Lastly, select EMP 201. Please take note, this section is not compulsory for WSP or ATR submissions. Select the relevant financial year. Now, click on the View button. Insert the date that the EMP 201 was paid and in which month the EMP 201 was paid for. Next, capture the total amount paid and upload any supporting documentation. And finally, click Save.